Years ago, a kid showed up at Navy SEAL training, walks into the instructor's offices and says, I want to be a Navy SEAL. And the instructor says, okay, fine, but you have to do a swim test. And the kid says, fine, okay. So you take him out to the pool. He sinks right to the bottom of the pool. And he starts walking across the bottom of the pool to one end. He touches that and he walks across the bottom of the pool back to the other end. He comes up, he's gasping for air. And the kid, who's still trying to catch his breath, looks at the instructor and says, I'm sorry, instructor, I don't know how to swim. At that point, the instructor pauses and he looks at the kid and says, that's okay, we can teach you how to swim. So that's when I began to separate performance into these two things, these attributes versus skills. If we're not considering attributes in our overall performance picture, we're missing a huge element of performance for our teams. All of us have all of the attributes.
Since we've done ours as a team at T2, it's really helped us. You'll go with your analysis day and you'll spot it within 24 hours. Your top ones, your bottom ones, you'll absolutely experience it.
The difference in each one of us are the levels to which we have each. Attributes don't direct our behavior. Attributes inform our behavior. They tell us how we're going to show up to a situation. The highest performing teams are such, it's not just because they can do things when things are going great. When the environment falls into uncertainty and complexity, that's when the highest performing teams show up. This is when our attributes come to the fore.